Hi, this is Rachel Richardson with Nutrilution Incorporated in South Beach, Florida. In this clip, we're talking about tips to prevent weight gain while trying to quit smoking. And so as a nutritionist and dietitian, I've worked with many hundreds, maybe thousands of people. And one of the things that I've noticed and that is very real is that when people are trying to quit one addiction, whether it's smoking, drinking, or any other kind of addiction, then other addictions start to creep up, including food. So people might start to gain weight. Well, some of the tips that I can give you that will help you so that when you quit one addiction like smoking, you don't take on another addiction such as food, is to find exercise. So smoking, food, and exercise all raise neurochemistry in your brain. And one of those things is very healthy, and that one thing is exercise. Also, I recommend that you increase your protein in your diet because this will also increase your neurotransmitters. And you really focus on getting a high mineral diet from fruits and vegetables and nuts and seeds and all the healthy fatty acids that you need from your oils and your healthy avocados and fats. This is Rachel with Nutrilution in Miami Beach, Florida.